Hey guys, so welcome to my first YouTube video. So we just got here in Hey guys, so we made it in San Antonio, Texas. So basically we drove from California to San Antonio. Honestly, this is my first time being out of state. I loved it. I loved the long car ride. Hey guys, so it's the next day. We're at Target right now, just like looking through stuff. Honestly, I really like Texas so far. It's nice. I like everything. Let me show you my outfit. Hold on. So we are in Barnes and Nobles. In Barnes and Nobles they have Starbucks, so we just got vanilla bean. We're at the mall La Cantera. Is that what it is? Yeah. It's in San Antonio. Don't worry, I have my mask. But yeah, so now we are going to shop, look at all the stores, and yeah, I'll update you then. So bye. So I'm like really bad at vlogging. I'm like really new to this, so I forgot to vlog at the mall. We went to the mall, La Cantera, and all I got was these sweats. I've been seeing these like all over the place from PacSun. I don't really shop at PacSun, but I was just like, these are cute. Actually, they're from Brandy, but they were in PacSun. But yeah, they're pretty cute, pretty comfortable. Got these, and then I went to another store yesterday. I forgot what the store is called. Wait, maybe it says it on the shirt. Bass Pro Shop. I usually don't wear this color, but I thought it would be cute. Let's do a little outfit of the day to show what I'm gonna wear. I might change though later on because we're gonna go to the river walk. Okay, so this is my outfit, just wearing biker shorts and the shirt, and then I'm wearing Nike socks. I wear these with Converse. But yeah, that's the outfit of the day. So I'll see you guys in the next clip. On the boat, this boat ride thing, pretty cool. Okay.
He had lights on.
This is taking pictures of the candy canes. I said Des is taking pictures of the candy canes. I'm trying to record.
Why isn't the penguin singing? Oh, hi little penguin.
Oh, Mr. Penguin.
It's raining.
What? We're back in time.
I'm just gonna take off my mask real quick. So we're at Walmart right now. Ugh, my face, I'm so tired. I don't have any makeup on right now because we're about to go fishing. We're looking for fishing poles and stuff. They're over there looking for fishing poles. Being honest, I think this is my first time fishing, so I'm actually pretty excited. I don't know where we're going, but I'll see you guys there.
You cast it?
Uh-huh.
You hold this down, you hold the black thing on the bottom, and you let it go in the air.
Okay. So it took me a while to reel it in and do all that stuff, but now I finally got it. So we're just waiting for the fish to come. Let's see if it took my worm. No way! No way! We're at a new spot now. Couldn't get any fish. There's a turtle over there. See if we catch any fish this time. We got a fish. Yay, got a fish.
Right. Look at
Caught another one.
Look at.
Caught another one. Fish number 2.
You're cheating. Give me your phone. So you like this
We're at Black's Barbecue.
Afterwards, your plate out.
Ew.
Ever, baby.
Barbecue sauce. Barbecue sauce. Barbecue sauce.
So we ate at this restaurant, barbecue restaurant. There's Andrew. It was pretty good. Now we are gonna go back to their house. We're probably gonna go bowling today because Samuel's been wanting to go bowling. So we'll probably go. But yeah, it was pretty good. 10 out of 10 recommend. But yeah, bye. We're at Bowl. It's a bowling alley place in Texas. So we're gonna go bowl. I'm probably gonna win. So yeah, watch me win. Oh yeah, sure. Okay, so we're back. We got canes. We're washing our hands. We should be washing our hands. Yeah, so now we're gonna eat our canes. This is like our second time eating canes, huh?
Yep.
So yeah, we're just gonna eat. I didn't win, sadly. I did good, but then I ended up like, I got bad. But it's okay, I'll win next time. But yeah, we're gonna eat cane. So it's the next day. Today is, what's today's date? Today's Monday. The day before I leave. Oh my gosh, there's doggies. They're doggies. Doggies are coming. Look. Hi, doggy. Yeah, it's the day before I leave. It's like 12. We've just kind of been like hanging out. Today we want to do some stuff. We don't know what we want to do. We have a couple of options. I know you guys are probably thinking like, oh my gosh, like they do stuff every day. They're going out every day. We're just kind of doing it because I'm just visiting and just want to make it fun and memorable. So that's why we're doing like a bunch of stuff. We don't do this on a regular daily basis. So I don't even know if you guys can see me. We're at the Japanese tea garden. We decided to come over here. Yeah, so we're over here. This is what it looks like. I'll show you guys around. I've never been here. Seems pretty cool. Everybody's been talking about it. So A lot of cool scenery. Oh, you can see the koi fish. That's cool. What? I wish I would have got that on camera. Sammy just chirped right now. He almost ate it.
Do this one.
Trip. Do it for the vlog. Just kidding. Oh my gosh, you can see the koi fish. I think those are koi fish.
Yeah,
Correct me if I'm wrong, but I think those are koi fish. Oh, I just zoomed in your butt. Ew. This is so cool. Feels like I'm like in the jungle or something. Oh, look how cute the fish are. Ooh, big fish.
Oh, people do change.
Look, it's looking at us.
So safe.
Oh.
You can go there.
I know. So cool. They have bamboo in here. If any of you guys are in San Antonio or if you guys are visiting, I definitely recommend this place. It's free, so that's a good thing. Everybody likes free things. So, oh yeah, that's cool. It's like a little chair. Hey. So we just got food from this place. It's like a cool little spot. I don't know what it's called. It has like different things in it, but it's pretty cool. We got burgers and fries, and then we got these like little bottled cokes, which I'll show you when we get back. But I just wanted to show you guys. It's a cute little place. So yeah, I'll see you guys when we eat the food.
Are all the burgers the same?
Yeah.
Yeah?
So it's the next day. For our last day, we decided to go to Magnolias Pancake House. So we're gonna try it. It's like sprinkling, but it's pretty nice weather. So this is where we're sitting. Pretty cool, pretty nice. This is kind of what it looks like over there. And then it has like a little bridge right here. It's sprinkling. It feels so good outside. That's why we wanted to eat outside. But yeah, it's sprinkling. It feels nice outside. Honestly, I love Texas. It's like my last day, so I'm trying to enjoy it. Hopefully I'll come back soon. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys my last day, what we're gonna do. It's probably gonna be a slow day. I'm supposed to go to the airport. Oh my gosh, I'm getting like what? I'm supposed to go at 8. I've never been to LAX, like I said. Well, I don't even think I even told you guys. It's my first time out of state, and it's also my first time gonna be on a plane. So I'm pretty excited. I've never been to LAX. I never been on a plane. I never really experienced that stuff. So it's my first time. So that's why I was like, I'm gonna vlog. It's gonna be fun. We're at the airport right now. We're in Austin, Texas. We're waiting to do all this stuff. This is my first time doing this stuff, like everything. So I don't even know what to expect. But yeah, I'm kind of like bummed out right now, but everything will be okay. But yeah, I'll try to vlog the experience and stuff. I'm back in my room, back in California. It's honestly bittersweet. I probably look like a mess right now because I've been crying. And I know some of you guys, like, some of you guys may get it, some of you guys may not, but, it's just hard, like, saying bye to people that you love and knowing, like, you're not gonna see them for a while. So, yeah, but, this week was, like, really fun. I wanted to vlog it so you guys could see my experience, my journey, what's going on in my life. This is just one of many memories, that's gonna be shown on this channel. But, yeah, I had a really fun time this weekend. I didn't really get to, like, record. You guys might hear the shower in the background because, yeah, I'm gonna take a shower right now because I'm, like, dirty. But, the airplane ride was really nice. I thought it was gonna, like, be, like, really bad, but it was good. For my first time on the airplane, it was really good. I didn't really get to vlog at the airport that much because, being honest, I kind of felt awkward, and I was just like sad. I was sad. I was crying. Yeah, but yeah, Texas, I love it over there. Honestly, I might move over there in the future. It's like really cool, good state. If you guys live in San Antonio or even in Texas, you guys are lucky. Because California, I don't really like it over here. But yeah, so I hope you guys liked this video. If you guys liked it, give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe. And yeah, that's all I have to say. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.